Yes, check is preferred. What? Can I just transfer you the money? Cash App, Venmo, PayPal?
No, the check is preferred.
Okay, yeah. Let me just get my checkbook. Very well.
Okay. Okay.
What? Oh, nothing. It's adorable. You still have your plastic checkbook covered.
Yeah. I got it when I got my first set of checks.
What? Probably over 15 years ago?
Yeah.
Listen, we're retracting our offer. Whenever you want to start acting like an adult, give us a call. Good day to you, sir. What? Because my checkbook's falling apart? I said good day! Hi, my name is Ted with Legacy Brand Leather. In this video, I'm going to show you how to craft a nice, simple design checkbook cover. That way you can upgrade that plastic checkbook cover you might still have from when you first got your checks, if that's something you feel you need to do. Anyways, let's get to it. I hope you guys are enjoying my intros recently. For this checkbook cover, I'm using Wicket and Craig medium brown harness, 4 to 5 ounces thick. I didn't make a template for this one, I just had the rough dimensions and direction I wanted to go. Cut out an oversized piece for the 7-inch by 6.625 inch exterior. Now we're going to use a straight edge and cut out those dimensions with a rotary knife, box cutter, X-Acto blade, or whatever you're using. As I was crafting this, I originally wanted to do separate 3-inch tall pockets, but I ended up doing something a little bit differently. I'm keeping this in the video in case you're interested in crafting yours like this. If you want to do the pockets like this, measure out and cut 2 of the 6.625 inch wide by 3-inch tall pieces. Then you're going to bevel, burnish, dye, and burnish again, or however you like to finish your edges. Now for this version, I'm again cutting out a rough dimension of the 7-inch by 6.625 inch. I'm then using the previously cut piece as a template to trace. For the interior pockets, I'm using the 3-inch tall pieces I had already cut as guides, and then a caliper measuring 1/4 inch to mark parallel to the edge. Then I'm using a 1-inch tall punch from a cheap stamp set I acquired on Amazon. It has a bunch of these steel punches ideal for leather. I will link it below. You could equally cut out this 1-inch tall window with a knife. I just thought of this on the spot to make my life easier. I then repeated the punch on the other side and then took it to the mat to cut the window. Again, I'm going to bevel, burnish with Tokonal clear edge finish, dye, and then burnish with Tokonal again. Then glue your pieces together. Apply glue to both pieces and wait a minute or so until the glue is tacky. Then adhere the pieces together. I like to lightly hammer the edges to ensure the glue takes. After the glue is set for anywhere between an hour and overnight, cut off the excess edges. If you want to make a trim allowance, you will obviously have to compensate for that when you start this project. Then round your corners with a corner punch. Then lightly sand your edges.
Bevel both top and bottom. Using a wing divider, trace your stitch line. I'm going with 1/8 inch. Hammer in your stitching holes using a pricking iron set. Mine are from KS Blade Punch. Now stitch up your checkbook cover. I'm using Vinymo MBT No. 5 Brown Thread. When you're done, cut and burn the ends of your thread so they won't pull. If desired, hammer down your thread. Now we're going to start the process of burnishing your edges. My process changes from month to month as I learn new techniques and tips here or there. More recently, I've been going through the following steps. I like to start with 220 grit and then a 400 grit and then apply some water and burnish with a piece of canvas. I then sand with 800 grit and then apply some Tokonal clear edge finish before burnishing with a Coca-Cola wood attachment on a rotary Dremel. I will then sand again with 800 grit before applying some edge dye. Once that's dried, I will apply more Tokonal and burnish with canvas. Then I will sand with 1000 grit and burnish with Tokonal again. Sand with 2000 grit, burnish. And then go up in grit and repeat the process as desired. Not everyone wants to burnish like this, nor does everyone want to pay for it, but I enjoy trying to get that glassy edge when I have the time and want to put in the time. After your arms hurt from your extensive burnishing and you're near giving up on life, and remember this has to eventually get shipped to someone, use a bone folder to relax those nooks and crannies within the pockets. And you're done. But let's check out that B-roll.
Thank you for watching this video. This was actually a custom order for someone that wanted to upgrade their checkbook cover. And this one should last them a very long time. If you want to support my channel, head to patreon.com/LegacyBrownLeather. Also check out my Instagram @LegacyBrownLeather for some process photos, product photos, and general rugged vibes. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and please subscribe. That shows me that you want to see more videos and more content like this. Other than that, I'll see you next week with a new video. Stay safe out there.